Hello, Professor Solis. This is my Exam 3 take home. I call it the baseball project. On the left side, right here, I show the process of how we get the linked list from starting at head to no par. To link it again, we use head, link, then we assign it new node as the new head, and we assign it to no par. For part one, we use a for loop to collect information for the team. Part two, we use an if statement to link the new node to the linked list. For part three, we are traversing the list by using a while statement. And for part four, we're going to use a while statement to delete the node. Now onto our code. Right here, we have our node. Then we have our int main function. And in our int main functions, we have our decorations and linked list. And I get user input, I use a while statement and I assign correct user input to false. And inside our while statement, we're going to see out how many baseball teams do the user want. And I use see and ignore to ignore the new line character after the input. And inside our while statement, I use an if statement, which is number team is greater than or equals to 1. We assign correct user input to true. Else, we're going to have the user enter a positive number. Then down here, we're going to collect information about each team. And we have our for loop statement right here. And inside the for loop, we create a new node for each team. Then we collect the team information. And I use getLine so the user could enter a space. Then right here, we have our if statement to link the new node to the linked list. Then down here, we are going to be traversing the linked list of the team. When we are traversing, we're going to use a while statement and we're going to pick current node is not no par. And if it's not, it's going to see out the team names that the user put. Then down here, we have our delete node, is where we're going to be deleting the list to free memory. And we have our while statement where the same thing as traversing, we're going to make sure current node is not no par in order to delete it. And then we're going to assign head to no par to reset all the nodes to make sure they're deleted. As you can see right here, I use 4 breakpoints. Now let's run the code. So we're going to enter 2 for how many baseball teams we want. So for the first team, we're going to enter Dodgers. As now, there should be a breakpoint. So let's see. So as you can see, head is no, and new node is Dodgers. Let's step over. As you can see now, head becomes Dodgers and tail becomes no. Let's step over again. As you can see, tail becomes Dodgers. We're going to step out. And we're going to enter for team 2. And team 2, we're going to put Giants. But again, breakpoint should be there again. So as you can see, our new node becomes Giants and our tail link becomes no. We're going to step over again. Our tail link becomes Giants. We're going to step over again. As you can see, our tail becomes Giants and our tail link becomes no. We're going to step out. And let's check the rest of the code. This is the rest of my code looks like. Thank you for watching, Professor Solis. Hope you have a nice day.